करेंगे अरबिक मंदी। ये सबसे पहले हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे 1 कप ऑयल। Here we add 1 cup of oil in that. ऑयल के हीटअप होने के बाद हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, half a teaspoon of cloves, 2 half cutted dry lemons, and here we have 2 bay leaves. Okay, now we will add these all things in the oil and just roast it. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. When onion gets softened, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 2 green chilies slit from the center. अब हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt in there, and here we will add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. At this stage, we will add pieces of chicken. Here we have 4 pieces of leg piece. Fry it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now at this stage, add 2 chicken cubes in that. We will add 4 glasses of water. When water starts boiling, set. At this stage, we will take out our chicken. Now we will take out our chicken. At this stage, we will add our soaked rice for 1 hour. Let's water dry. So we will. इस स्टेज पे हम अपने चावलों को ऑयल का धुआं देंगे. At this stage, we'll add a bowl inside the rice and add our oil. We will give it smoke with the help of oil. Then sprinkle some oil on that. Cover it. For the marination of chicken, we will add, here we have 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Now we will add half a teaspoon of salt. Here we add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And last we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Then we will add 1 lemon. At the end we will add a small amount of oil in that so it will stick nicely to our chicken. And we will mix it. Now we will coat this coating on our chicken. We have pieces of chicken, so we will give it a nice cut. Same to the other chicken. First of all, we will grease our pan. Secondly, so there is the coating. We will coat our chicken with this coating nicely from both sides. So it will have a nice color and taste. We'll grill it 200 degrees preheated oven for 10 minutes. Now you can see how I have coated the chicken. Place your chicken pieces into a dish like this and bake them. Now we will remove oil and check your rice. This is the final look of rice. So the final look of mandi. Mandi is ready.